Hey, what's going on, everyone? So a bit of a different video, like a blog style kind of thing. We're recording on the iPhone today, so not the camera, and we're actually taking the S4 for a drive. We're going up to, what's that thing called?
Tannersville, New York, Euro Summit Invitational.
We're going to that. Oh, and that is Alessandro. So
Hi.
Alessandro's coming along. He's got the shirt on.
Yes.
So thank you for that.
Yeah.
So Alessandro is building a Scirocco, and the thing is wild, diesel swapped. And it was supposed to come with us today, but sadly we couldn't get it going. So we're taking the S4 instead.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. Wasn't as cold as a cold start as I thought it would be.
It's not that cold. I mean, it's chilly, but it's not cold.
All right, so we are here. It's bright as hell, so I'm sorry. There's Alessandro. So far the show's pretty dope. We've been here for 3-4 hours.
Yeah, we got here at 10:30.
We got here at 10:30. Sorry we haven't showed you anything, but we're about to go look at it right now.
It's about 2 o'clock now.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. So we're gonna go check it out. But before we do all that, I want to give you guys a quick update on the car. So the car is running, of course, because we got it here, and we'll just go up to the front and show you guys what's going on. So first things first.
This guy's about to redefine water cooled for sure over here.
Okay, so before I show you that, there's a over there. Let me see if I can zoom in. That is a Volkswagen. So it supposedly is going in the water. So if it does, I'll definitely be showing you that. But I highly doubt it.
Mark 1 golf truck.
Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, let's go back. So right now, let's look at the situation. So this right here is our fan switch because the way I'm driving the fans through the switch right now because the thermostatic switch thing broke. So we have to do that to get here. But the car's running well, still pretty rich, figuring out the tune, but everything's working. We have the intercooler piping going on and no leaks. Everything's working correctly, wastegate, blow off valve, and we're all good there. I'll have a sound clip for you guys later. We saw the cold start earlier, which really wasn't that cold. But let's just take a look and see some cool cars.
Yeah.
How
There you go. Thank you.
much was it?
Hey, looks.
Worth it. Let me see it.
Or don't.
That's so cool. So we're back, and it was a good time.
It was a great time.
We stopped at New Paltz, and we had some food on the way back. So Upper New York was beautiful today. The scenery was amazing. It was just nice to be out there. Had some great food, met some great people, saw some great cars, as you guys all saw. And now we're back. So the S4 did pretty well. Everything was pretty good. And surprised it actually did pretty well because it's not meant to handle that altitude right now, tune-wise. But it ran well, and we got back home in one piece. It was about a 300-mile trip in total, so it's the first big one, and nothing broke. Hope we keep it like that. Peace.
Out.
Tell them to subscribe and stuff.
Oh, do that. Subscribe and stuff. It helps him out, and it's cool because we're having fun building cars, even though it's all his project.
And his. We'll see his soon.
Well, yeah, the Scirocco will make a guest appearance at some point, hopefully.
Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.